Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make quick and easy rhubarb muffins with a streusel topping. To get started, cut up 1.5 cups of rhubarb into small pieces. Now add 1 3/4 cups of flour to a bowl, along with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of brown sugar, and the zest of 1 orange. Whisk until everything is combined. For the wet ingredients, add 1 egg to a separate bowl, along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of oil, and 3/4 cup of milk. Whisk until combined. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix with a spatula until almost combined. Then add the cut up rhubarb. Continue to mix until there are no streaks of flour left. Add 12 liners to a muffin pan, then fill each liner until all the muffin batter is used. To make the streusel topping, add half a cup of flour to a bowl, along with 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds, or any kind of nuts you like, and 1/4 cup of cold butter cut into small pieces. Mix with your hands or a pastry cutter until crumbly like this. Add the streusel to the top of each muffin until it's all used up. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the muffins comes out clean. And that's it! This recipe is a perfect way to use up any rhubarb you have. They're really soft and moist, and the streusel on top adds a little crunch. I find rhubarb doesn't have that much flavor once cooked, so the orange and cinnamon really add a lot to the muffins. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!